Hello everyone, welcome to Think, Code, Run. So today we're going to tackle about array in Java. So what is an array? An array is an object that stores a collection of values. So when we say a collection of values, it means array can store multiple values. Okay? So unlike a variable, example, you have here int a is equals to 5. It means the value of 5 is assigned to a variable a. So this is correct. But if you're going to do this, int a is equals to 5, 6, 9, 10, this is not acceptable in Java because a variable can store only one value. So if you want to store multiple values, you have to use an array. Okay? So there are two types of array. First one is one-dimensional array, and the second one is a multi-dimensional array. So in this tutorial, we are going to focus only on one-dimensional array. So on my next tutorial, on my next video, okay, I'm going to tackle about two-dimensional and three-dimensional array. So we have three parts about array. Okay, so let's focus on one-dimensional array. So a one-dimensional array is like a filing cabinet wherein you can store multiple folders in a drawer. Now, to be able to create an array, it involves three steps. First step, you have declaring the array. Second step, allocating the array. And the third step is initializing the array elements. Okay, let's proceed to declaring the array. So in declaring the array, you have to identify first the data type of your array. So what are the acceptable data type in array? So the acceptable data type in array is primitive data type and object reference, since array is an object itself. So ano ba yung mga data type na yun? So you can create an array of integers, an array of characters, double, float, okay? And of course, under the object reference, you can create an array of strings, an array of points object, or an array of student object, etc., etc. Okay? Then after determining the data type, you have to write the symbol of array, which is the opening and closing square bracket. So that is the symbol of an array. And then after the symbol of array, you have to write the name of your array. Okay, if you drop the symbol, it is an ordinary variable. That's why you have to write the symbol for array. Okay, so example, you have here int and then the symbol of array, grades. Okay, or you can write the symbol after the name of array. Okay, so you can write the symbol before the name of array or after the name of array. Never write the symbol before the data type. Okay, so again, remember, do not write the symbol of array before the data type. Okay, so second step, you have allocating the array. So as the name suggests, array allocation will allocate memory for the elements of an array. So when you allocate memory for an array, you should specify its dimension. So para kang bumibili ng lupa, no? Bibili ako ng 20 square meter, 50 square meter, 100 square meter. So ganun din sa array, you have to specify the dimension. So such as the number of elements the array should store. So ilan bang elements yung i-store ko? Ilan bang value yung i-store ko sa array? Okay? So, paano mag-allocate? First, of course, you have to declare an array. And then, this is how to allocate. Okay? So, since the name of your array is grade, so that's grade is equals to new int. And then, write the number of elements you want to store. Okay? So, in this case, you have 5. Means, we call it a grades of array can hold 5 values type int. Okay, or you can simply write in one statement like this. Int grades, sorry. So int grades, and then you write the symbol is equals to new int, then write the number of values na installed. So let's visualize. So you have 5. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And then the index number, lagi nag-i-start sa 0. So this will be index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, and index 4. Okay? And then, sa third step, you have the, by the way, let's first read this statement. Now, so you have int grades 5, new int. So this is wrong. So this is error in Java. Because you write the number of elements here. You should write here. Okay? Because this is used to symbolize that this grade is an array. That's why you have to write this number of elements here. Okay? So this is wrong. So it won't compile. So third step is initializing the array element. So when you are initializing the array of element, of course, you have to write first the name of your array and then specify the index number. So like this. Okay? So, ibig sabihin ito. So, the value of 92 is assigned to array grades index 0. Like this. So, yung memory natin, may laman na 92 sa index 0. The next, you have 87 assigned to grades index 1. And then you have 94 assigned to grades index 2. And then you have 82 assigned to grades index 3. Okay, and then you have 79 assigned to grades index 4. Okay, so yun yung magiging itsura sa memory ng ating computer. Okay, so that is how to initialize the array elements in Java. Okay, but pwede natin siya i-combine into one statement lang. No? So you have combining array declaration, allocation, and initialization. So pwede natin i-combine. So like this. So int grades, and then write the values inside the open and close curly brace. Or like this. So int grades is equals to new int, and then write the values inside the open and curly brace. But it is not allowed. So if you already write the values, no need to write the number of items or the number of values here or the size of an array. Okay? So this is not allowed. Okay. So in this example, makikita natin, we can use array of primitive data type, which is int, and array of object, which is string. Okay, so let's proceed to applications. Okay, let's go to Notepad. Let's apply our example. Yeah. Okay, so I have here public class sump array, and then int grades new int 5. So I think ginawa natin kanina. Now I want to display the value of 94. So paano natin gagawin yun? Of course, we have to write then system.out.print, okay, in order to display sa monitor natin. Okay, and then, sabi ko kanina, I want to retrieve the value of, to display the value 94. So, nasa ba yung value 94? Nasa grades, then specify index 2. Okay, let's compile. Okay, then run. Since walang error, you can now run. Okay, see? So all you have to do is to specify the index number. What if I want to display all the values of array? So in this case, dahil kukunti lang siya, pwede natin isa-isahin. But if you have hundreds or thousands of values inside an array, you have to use loop. Okay? So paano ba gumamit ng loop? So, Gamitin natin is for loop. Yan. Okay, gamitin natin yung for loop. Okay. Gamitin tayo sa close. That's 1. 5 muna, then may binago tayo, then run. Okay, see, all the values now are displayed. Okay? So, let's explain natin yung loop na yan. Okay, so you have here for int I is equal to 0 because the initial value is 0 because your index numbers start with 0. Right, tandaan na. So, that's why we use to initialize I 0 because our index numbers start with 0. And then you have here I less than 5. Our conditional statement is I less than 5 because our index number end with 4. Or simply, you have to write in the size of your array, which is 5. So, make it less than because our index numbers start with 0. Okay? So, always length minus 1. Okay? Then, I++, the increment, and to display, you have system.out.print, and then call the name of your array, which is grades, and then, of course, the variable I. Okay, so, let's see. Example, you have I is equals to 0, so meaning, I'm going to call grades index 0. Okay? Change tayo ng pen. Okay, so this will be grades index 0. So, mag-display is 92. Okay, so pag ikot niya, so since nag-increase, 0 now is 1. So, this will be 1. So, tatawagin niya na ngayon ay C87. Pag ikot niya ulit, your I will be 2. So, this will be now 2. So, i-display niya 4. Then, ikot ulit siya. 3. This will be 3. So, 82 will now display. And then again, increase ulit because of this. So, this will be 4. And then, i-call niya ngayon si grades index 4, which is 79. Pag ikot niya, magpa-plus uli yan. This will be now 5. So, is 5 less than 5? So, hindi niya na-meet yung condition. So, lalabas na siya na ngayon ng loop. Okay? So, tama ginawa natin using the for loop. Okay, another way is using an enhanced loop. Okay, so paano naman enhanced loop? Okay, baguhin muna natin. Mamaya muna tayo sa enhanced loop. Pwede natin itong baguhin na gagamitin natin yung grades dot length. Yeah, so pwede din yan. If you're not sure dun sa you can use grades dot length. Sabihin yung length ng ating array. Okay? So, let's compile. Let's see. Voila. Same pa rin. Output. Same output. Okay? So, you can use grades.length or yung 5. Okay? Now, let's use yung enhanced loop. Using enhanced loop, this one is enhanced. Okay? Enhanced loop or for each loop. So, ganito naman ginagawa yung enhanced loop. Okay? You have to declare a variable. So, dineclare ko is C, colon, that's the symbol for enhanced loop, and then ano yung array na gagamitin natin? So, grades. So, what will happen here is kada loop niya, yung laman ng grades, isinasali niya isa-isa dun sa variable C. That's why, ang ipiprint na natin ay yung variable C, hindi na si grades. Okay? So, let's see. Tama. Okay, save out. Okay, so that is how to use the That is how to use for each loop. Okay, so by the way, meron pa ako nakalimutan. How about kung ganito yung gagawin ko? Okay, you have your system.out.print. Okay, and then I'm going to call grades index y. What happened? Anong mangyayari kung ganyan ang ginawa natin? Lagpas sa ating index number. Okay, let's check. Okay, so we have an error, which is array index out of bounds. So remember, pag lumagpas kayo sa index number, okay, ang error na marireceive nyo is array index out of bounds. Okay? Because an array is fixed. So once you declare the size of your array, hindi siya pwedeng lumaki. Okay? Kasi naka-fix yan. So again, ang array, naka-fix lagi ang size once you declare the size. Okay? Hope you learn something new. No? I hope you learned something new in my tutorial. So, yun lang and goodbye. See you on my next tutorial, which is the 2D and 3D array. Bye.